What do we talk about? If I'm stuck with a homeowner in a snowstorm, what am I going to talk about? I'm probably going to start asking questions to find out more about them. You want to maintain your systems for many reasons. We all know that dust and dirt contribute to things breaking down, especially mechanical things. When you get a circuit board on an air conditioning system that's not maintained, this dirt starts building a layer of dust and dirt over circuit board, over the top of resistors, relays. Every time it's running, it's getting warm. And now you got a layer of dust and dirt on it. That's now going to act as an insulator. And that circuit board's now going to run hotter. Boom, it's done. Maintenance is super important to an air conditioning system. I don't think you're going to go out and buy a car and not maintain it and just drive it until it burns out.